Welcome to week 6. This is a turning point in the course. We're finishing up our study of Dave Eggers' views, his argument on social media. We're finishing up the required reading on The Circle. I hope you finished the book. Hope you even watched the movie. I'm not sure I liked it that much, but you might want to watch it. I've listed here some other books that he's written too, in case you're interested. And the forum postings this week, Wednesday and Friday as usual, are on The Circle. The last ones we'll talk about, unless you choose to write your paper on The Circle. We're finishing up, as I said, Dave Eggers' argument on The Circle, and we're starting your own. This is the week I expect you to do the bulk of your research for your research paper. This week, the Sunday assignment is an annotated bibliography. You will have done most of your research, not all of it. You can change it up to the day you submit your paper in a couple of weeks. But I want you to get a sense of, you know where the sources are. You've shown me through the annotations that you've looked at them. You see how they're going to fit in with your paper. And importantly, you're going to get the format down. Doing the format of bibliographies, it's hard, it's tedious, it's detail-oriented. Those of you who are in computer programming will probably excel in it. But I want to get it done now, to where I know that you've had a good start on your research and that you've got the format done. Do it this week, then you don't have to worry about it again. If you have any questions, I've given you lots of information here about citations, how to document your sources. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help.